तो आज मैं टेस्ट करने वाली हूँ कि ये लेफ्ट हैंड कितना कर पाए. सो फॉर टुडे आई विल मेक लेफ्ट हैंड द मेन लीड. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. No, once more because I will write again. Let's get started.
Guys, I'm not sure if this was a good idea. I guess I get passing marks for this.
Come with me. Welcome to my world. Hi guys, so today I'm in the mood for a challenge, okay? Today as in this particular phase of my life. अभी challenges ज़रूरी भी होते हैं and every motivation story I ever heard spoke about, embrace the challenge in front of you. You think something is tough, make it a challenge and then, or take it up as a challenge and fight it. Honestly, I have never taken well to challenges और मुझे कुछ खास शौक नहीं है challenges का. I really enjoy a feeling of ease on most days. But today I was feeling particularly like, oh no, I should do a challenge. And for reasons that I can't explain, okay, my official content creator is testing my brain in so many different ways. One of which is how competent is my left hand. अभी आप में से जिनको पता नहीं है, नहीं सबको पता होगा, बट हम नॉर्मली एक ही हाथ यूज करते हैं, राइट, फॉर द मेन errands we do. तो मोस्टली लोगों का राइट होता है और जिसका कुछ लेफ्ट हैंड डोमिनेंट हो, they are supposed to be special creative people or like with special talents or something. तो आज मैं टेस्ट करने वाली हूँ कि ये लेफ्ट हैंड कितना कर पाए. Because sometimes I feel like the left hand must be feeling like the second lead in this game. This one always gets to be hero and this has to be the supporting actor. So for today I'll make left hand the main lead. Right hand is going to take rest because there's too much the right has been doing. And let's see how well this does. So let's get started. No, once more because I will write again. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I've been talking for a while and I'm really thirsty, so I'm gonna have some water first. This is what happens when it's only one hero who has to do all the acting. So far so good. My right brain is in order. It's functioning. Good to know it's functioning. Okay guys, so next I'm wondering, should I go beautify my lashes? Maybe apply some mascara with one hand. I have never practiced this before, please believe me. Guys, I'm not sure if this was a good idea. I could have chosen a more simple makeup item, but I guess I get passing marks for this. Yeah, successfully applied mascara with left hand. I'm beginning to believe in my genius. I might just reinvent the theory of relativity, guys. If I do one more task with my left hand, I'm Einstein reborn. For sure. Who chose to do movies? Okay guys, second task complete. I have successfully put mascara. Now I have a shrug. Should I try wearing that? Okay, it's kept right here. Guys, if I can't do this, I'll just change the costume I'm planning to wear. I have a doubt now. I have to put my right hand in the right hand, for which I'll have to use my right hand. Would that count as cheating?
Okay, this was I didn't think this through, but that's why we mess up. So we are forced to think things through. Okay. Man, okay. Now I don't know which is the left and the right. Because I have to put the right hand first, and the right hand can only be used for. Okay, I'm keeping it static. I'm not using it for any function.
Done! Guys, watch out. I might just be the new genius in town. Come with me. Okay, so now it's time for breakfast. And guys, I wanted passing marks for the first few tasks, so I kept it simple. But I really need to have some coffee. I don't know if that will help with my left hand coordination. But I have to make it with my left hand now. Actually, can I cheat and use it with the machine? It's still coffee. But I don't think it's challenging. So this even a 3-year-old can do. So guys, this is now a dual challenge because I'm in my kitchen. And I've lived here for around 2 years and I still don't know where pots and pans are. So one is searching the stuff in kitchen and one is then using it. Okay. I think lighting this with one hand is tricky because you have to keep this on while. No. Come on. Yaar. It's a fully functional gas. No. I'm trying to use another burner now. I think this burner doesn't like me. Because. Okay, let me try the big burner. Yes! I told you, genius. Step 1 for coffee done. I've poured some milk in it. Now I'm a grown-up adult. I like bitter coffee without sugar. Which as a child I remember thinking, why are adults so dull? Why is everything grey, brown and without sugar? And yeah, I'm one of those grown-ups now. Okay. Best part is I forgot how to make coffee now. Yeah. I know it's not very modest on my part, but I'm awfully impressed with myself. Now I don't know where the coffee is. As usual, it's right here and I couldn't see it. Welcome to my world. Oh, this is one of those. I'm going to have to use my abs as the right hand or my waist as the right. Will tea work? I'm flexible with tea too. Coffee. Sometimes. I'm now seeing instructions on how to open the bottle, even though it's not even sealed. This is not even a sealed bottle. I am genius after all. I am a genius after all. चम्मच कहाँ पे है मेरे को मालूम है, क्योंकि चमचा मैं बहुत यूज करती हूँ, लेकिन बाकी का सामान नहीं. Think this is salt guys. कॉफी में नमक नहीं डालना चाहिए. I think this is this is the new. आजकल जो आ रहा है brown unprocessed sulfur free sugar. Means I grew up in the 90s. I think my body is used to sulfur in the sugar. But the new age stuff, I'm just really happy this kind of stuff is available now. That's enough sugar, I think. Okay. Now I have to fetch a cup. Audience, I need to share something with you. The team was actually trying to give me hints about where the cups are in my kitchen. That's why I love these guys. मेरी टीम कह रही है नहीं.
Yes, voila. Okay.
Coffeeology. The way to pour it is like this. I'm going to take over the world now. This proof right here. Time to face the music. I've been given a hint that my hair is a mess, but I only have one hand to correct my hair and to make coffee and to drink. I hope it's fine now. Moment of truth. It's little like what means like the flavored milk, coffee flavored milk. But my left hand did it, and I have to appreciate the second lead actor who has the responsibility of the main lead actor. शाबाशी भी देना चाहिए ना? All right. Guys, I'm normally a relatively modest person. I'm not feeling so modest today. I'm really proud of myself. You should be too. If your left hand is willing to attempt, now I have some work to do on the phone and I want to drink my coffee. Drinking my coffee while replying to messages. I hope nobody calls now. Oh, actually no, there's a speaker function, guys. Every phone has a speaker function. If you're doing the left hand challenge at home and you can't use your right hand for the call. I'll be replying to a few messages now. Alright, so guys, these are work messages or work mails for like collaborations and brand stuff and all. So I have to pay attention while replying to them, because you know the plus with using the left hand, you have to go slow because you're not used to it, but it's actually making me think harder about how to reply and what words to use because it's going to be one alphabet at a time. I'm being sincere here, I'm not using the voice to text feature. Okay, that is done. I'm just sending my agent's contact. So the left hand is doing a great job. I have to give it the credit where it's due. But this process is obviously slower because it's so unfamiliar. I think I want to do this again though. I read somewhere it's really good for your brain to use your left non-dominant hand once in a while. Supposedly brushing your teeth with a non-dominant hand makes you like some kind of a genius because different wires in the brain get triggered. It's some very deep explanation. We'll do another episode on that. So now I will get my bag ready before I step out, and that has to be done with my left hand. I need to step out, so this is the final challenge.
Starting with this, house keys, wallet.
I think once I'm out of the door, the left hand challenge is over. Then I can use my right hand for putting headphones, so I'll just carry it. And yeah, that's it. One lipstick. I'm going to try wearing my chashma though, because chashma has to be on before I step out. And I'm trying to be very ladylike, not using my mouth too. Not bad. I'm feeling little bit like a half Thakur from Sholay. Like I have one hand.
Yeah, guys.
I got ready with one hand, and yeah, that's my tasks for the day. I think yeah, that's all I'm willing to do as a challenge today. Okay. You know what? Wearing this was way easier than trying to remove it. So be careful while doing this challenge, just in case you decide to wear something with one hand. Yeah, challenge done. I would like to give myself a 11 on 10. I think I was fabulous with my left hand. And I don't know about you guys, but if you guys are as good with your left hand, please put it in the comments below. I would love to know, because I'm believing I'm some kind of a genius. But assuming all of you can do it, then I'm not genius, obviously. See you! Hello again. Now I'm allowed to use my right hand.